All right, you guys, welcome to this free training where we're going to be talking about strictly how to make the most out of this Q4 with bottom of the funnel on TikTok Shop. I'm going to keep this short, 5 to 10 minutes max. So tune into the whole thing. And hopefully by the end of this, you guys have a great understanding on how you guys can maximize Q4 strictly with the bottom of the funnel method on TikTok Shop. And whether you're completely new to TikTok Shop or have some experience, this free training will still help you maximize the most out of Q4 and learn these principles of BOF that any of you guys can apply. Last Q4, here's what I was able to do on TikTok Shop strictly with the BOF method. Black Friday was absolutely insane. And why Q4 is so huge on TikTok Shop? Because this is when the most people are purchasing items. This is when TikTok's running their most campaigns and sales. GMV max and ads are through the roof. So if you guys take advantage of Q4 and play your cards right, this Q4 can set your year up alone. So how do you make the most of it? What I strictly do is bottom of the funnel method. I'm gonna dig into what this means. And it is very important for you guys to understand the new algorithm, which is not how it used to be. It is strictly GMV max. Strictly. Sorry, my handwriting's horrible. And what GMV max is just TikTok Shop's ad budget. All it is, if a brand is running GMV max, that means they are running ads. So the trick with bottom of the funnel, you want to basically get as many GMV max ran on your videos as you can. So as many ads as you can. It's not the old organic algorithm. It's basically, you got to basically trigger the AI that's going to basically push your video out, run ads on it, and get GMV max. I'm going to explain how you can get GMV max on most of your videos. Okay, so now it's a 3-step framework I use to get GMV max on your videos and get it pushed out. First, you want to stop the scroll. Stop the scroll. You guys got to understand every second counts, especially with your watch time. You need to have something that will get someone stop scrolling when they're on their feed. It's a short-term platform. If people can stop for even for a second, that is huge. And then how you guys can do this, it could be a strong hook, say something controversial, film in a weird angle, like in a mirror, your bathroom. Have high energy, rage bait, something that's going to get them to stop for a millisecond. Every second matters. Now that you have them stop scrolling, your next goal is to guide them to the orange shopping cart, which if you do TikTok Shop, that is basically just the product link on the bottom left. That is key to get someone to click on that. The more people that click the orange shopping cart, the more GMV max that is going to be ran on your video and the more it's going to get pushed. There are so many easy ways to get them to click that orange shopping cart. Literally tell them if they click that shopping cart, there's a discount. Guide them on how they can unlock coupons on a sale. Tell them if you click this orange shopping cart in the bottom left, you get X% off your product. Any way you guys can guide them to this shopping cart, they click that, GMV max is going to get triggered and get pushed out. Like I said, have them stop scrolling for a second. Then if they click that orange shopping cart, the more people you get to do that, the more it's going to get pushed. Do this across all your videos, you're going to absolutely bank. Third thing is a call to action, a CTA. Tell them that this is a limited time sale. Tell them that this sale won't be here in X amount of hours. Tell them it's going to be gone next week, whatever. Any way you can get a call to action to get them to hit that orange shopping cart with urgency and scarcity, that's also going to be a better way, a good recipe to get people to actually click that orange shopping cart and get that video pushed, like I said. Now, the next important thing by far is product selection. This is key. This is everything. You need products that GMV max is getting ran on. If there's no GMV max on this product, it won't convert. You need a trending product. You don't want it too saturated. You need to find that middle ground. But product selection is key, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can tell if GMV max is eligible on this product. I'm going to cross out my username for personal reasons, but you guys are going to want to click on that 3 dots right there. You guys are going to want to scroll all the way to the right. If you guys see ads plans, that means GMV max is being ran on that video. Hopefully that clip gave you an idea on how you guys can tell if GMV max is ran on your videos. Now that you're posting a bunch of GMV max products, you have an idea on how to get it on your videos. The next important thing is scale and consistency. Now that you have these products per account, you should be posting a minimum of 20 to 30 videos a day minimum. And our goal is to scale everyone up to 5 accounts. Sorry, terrible handwriting, but 5 accounts going into Q4. You guys can get it off Account Seller. You can get one for as low as like $300. You can also buy one off someone you know. But getting 5 accounts, make sure you're following the guidelines, being smart about it. 5 accounts going into Q4 is the most important thing. And the reason why you want 5 accounts, because it builds a massive snowball effect. I'm still making money on videos from last Black Friday. You times that across 5 accounts, your money is actively paying off your accounts that you're buying. It's a huge snowball effect. It's scaling. With BOF, it's easy to pump out this content. It's pumping out good products. You put that across all your videos. You have 30 times 5 videos. Holy crap, you're in a recipe to absolutely print. You have such a strong like system going into Q4. Okay, so now a couple quick tips on your videos. First things first, lighting matters more than anything. You need to have good lighting. It needs to be somewhat high quality. That'll push your TikTok Shop video out more. GMV Max will pick that video up better. You can get an iPhone ring light off Amazon for like $10. Get that if you need to. Next thing, angles and tone. You need to have a strong angle. Try the mirror method. Try filming in a shower. Try filming in an open room. Have a high energy tone. Don't just talk like a robot. All this stuff matters with watch time and people like interacting with your video. And last thing, and most important thing ever, is consistency. Posting every single day. Doubling down on what's working, what angles, what tone, what style of content of BOF that I'm doing is working. Consistently doing that, consistently posting the right products. This is the key, building that snowball effect. Okay, now to just recap everything we just went in through. Q4, this is the biggest time for TikTok Shop. Easiest time to make money. If you know what you're doing, you know how to get GMV max on your videos. Next, BOF, this style of content works. Stop them from scrolling. Guide them to the orange shopping cart. Have a call to action. Rinse and repeat across accounts. Next thing, product selection. You have to post products that have GMV max on them, that are not too saturated, they're trending, and they will convert. You're going to waste time if you're not. And scaling, like I said, across more accounts, building that snowball effect. That's the BOF formula. And look, me and my partner, Bruce Gold, have generated $11 million in GMV strictly with these methods. We opened up our mentorship offer, and we have students that are making crazy results, as you guys can see, with these methods alone. And we just opened back up our coaching offer and taking in more students for Q4. We have options just as low as $50 a month. So if you guys want the exact products to post, the exact blueprint me and Bruce use, violation support, a scaling plan, brand deals, everything you guys need to make the most out of Q4, fill out that waitlist below. And you guys don't want to miss out. Every second, every day you wait and miss out on the Q4 opportunity, that's money being left on the table. Let's go.